Alright, let's move on to IELTS speaking part 2.
Okay.
Describe an occasion when you lost something. You know, sometimes you will say, "Thode viah te meriyan waliyan chori ho gayiyan, gwaach gayiyan," something like that.
Occasion?
So, yeah, occasion. Describe an occasion when you lost something. What is your topic?
I have prepared something you have lost in past.
Okay, no, that's fine. But you
Okay.
need to talk about that occasion when you lost it. You will talk about the thing that you lost, but occasion. Occasion means like it was someone's wedding when you lost it.
Okay.
Right? For example, one of my friends on his wedding, he lost his bride. Yeah, and then he searched for her here and there, and that was a troublesome situation.
And don't tell me that he's standing behind me.
Behind you, absolutely, yeah. Okay, so describe an occasion when you lost something.
Can I speak
Yes.
for my topic, because
Yes.
my topic is not going to be fit in
So
this
in actual
any
exam, you
occasion.
can tell the examiner,
Yeah,
"Madam, I have not prepared
No,
this
no,
topic. I have prepared my own topic, and
Sorry.
only one thing will happen. They will give you low band score."
Okay.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Huh? Okay, start.
Although I have lost a lot of things in my life, but the one which always remained in my mind was my little pretty hen. She's very pretty.
You lost it or it ran away?
Yeah, I'm going to tell you.
All
about-
right.
Yeah.
Okay.
One day when she was outside for her afternoon walk,
Oh gosh.
some hooligan boy caught her and made her.
The rooster.
Yeah. No, a hen.
A boy. Oh, okay.
Hooligan boy
I understand.
caught her
Right.
and made his dinner.
All right.
Yeah. Then I inquire. I do every effort.
I did.
I did every effort to find my little pretty hen.
What was the name of your hen? Pretty.
Pretty,
All
yeah.
right, yeah.
And all vain. Yeah. I inquired from every naughty guy about her, but it all
Why
vain.
did you inquire from naughty guy?
Because
they would have taken it.
Yeah.
All right, taken her. All right. So sad about it. So you lost the hen and you
Yeah.
lost the eggs also. Was it married or unmarried?
She was unmarried. I have made her a pet.
All right, that
Yeah.
was your pet hen. Okay, first of all, I'm sorry for your loss. Second, your topic is fine.
Yeah.
Because describe an occasion when you lost something. So you can say a year ago when I had a pet and then I lost this hen, and it's fine.
Can I repeat my topic in a while?
No, that's okay. You spoke well. This is good.
Okay.
Now, let's move on to speaking part 3. Why do people often lose things in a crowd?
In a crowd, people often lose their things like their wallets and mobiles, because they are unaware of their their pockets, and some pickpockets take away their belongings. So in a crowd, it is easy to snatch anything from any person. So you can say usually in a crowd, most people lose their
Okay,
belongings.
how do you protect your things when you are in a crowd?
Well, mostly I protect my belongings by putting in my pockets which are very close to me, and every time it's make me sense of touch, and in this way I
All right,
Yo.
I understand. Okay,
and this way I protects my
I
belongings.
protect my belongings.
I protect my
Okay, there are two things. One is fluency that you need to focus on, and
Okay.
in speaking part 2, your answer was perfectly okay. Just try to elaborate further, use proper language, and through practice, you will learn to connect your ideas.
Okay.
Right, that connectivity and organization is required, and overall, you need to be confident. Okay.
Okay.